Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're diving into one of Excel's most versatile functions, SUMPRODUCT. This powerful tool can streamline your calculations and make data analysis a breeze. Let's jump right in. SUMPRODUCT multiplies corresponding elements in arrays and then sums up the products. It's particularly useful when you need to perform calculations on multiple ranges or arrays simultaneously. Let's start with a basic example. Imagine you run a small online store. Here's a data set with the quantities sold and the price per unit for each product. To calculate the total revenue, you could multiply the quantity sold by the price for each product and add them up. However, with SUMPRODUCT, you can do this in one formula. Type equals to SUMPRODUCT, bracket open, select the data range in array 1 and then comma, select the price range in array 2, close the bracket and hit the enter. This formula multiplies each quantity by its corresponding price and sums the results, giving you the total revenue. Next, let's use SUMPRODUCT with a condition. Suppose you only want to calculate the total revenue for products where the quantity sold is more than 50. To use the SUMPRODUCT function with a condition, start by typing equals to SUMPRODUCT. Next, open another bracket and define your condition by selecting the data range where the condition applies. Here we want to include only quantities greater than 50. Close the bracket and multiply by another array that includes the relevant data, such as the quantity sold and price per unit. Finally, close the bracket and press enter. Similarly, let's calculate the revenue for the East region. Here it is. Let's recheck whether the formula works or not. As you can see, the formula has shown accurate result. It can save you time and simplify complex calculations in Excel. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.